AAVE price predictions. According to the most recent AAVE value expectation and conjecture, AAVE will reach $384.87 toward the finish of 2022, ascending to $624.89 toward the finish of 2023, and $1,953.92 in 2025. The coin will then ascend to $2,808.21 in 2027 and $4,538.45 in 2030. Our AAVE value expectations are educated by a few key elements. Give close consideration to them over the course of the following couple of years. Organic market is an enormous element that influences the cost of AAVE and most other digital forms of money, less so with cryptos that don't have a covered inventory. At the point when request surpasses supply, the cost of AAVE will increment, and when the inverse occurs, AAVE will diminish. Organic market connect with a few sub-factors, some of which are referenced beneath. Without a doubt, the cost of Bitcoin influences AAVE. Since Bitcoin was the first, greatest, and most popular crypto, the vast majority of individuals who will put resources into advanced resources at all have put resources into Bitcoin. This implies that when trust in BTC rises or falls, it has a gradually expanding influence that is felt all through the market. For instance, when Elon Musk declared that Tesla would never again acknowledge BTC installments because of the ecological effect of cryptographic money mining, it made the worth of Bitcoin lose large number of dollars short term. In accordance with this, the cost of other cryptos fell as well. AAVE dove to its least cost since January 2021 following the declaration, in which Musk said, "Digital currency is smart on many levels, and we accept it has a promising future, yet this can't come at an incredible expense for the climate." Somewhere else, guideline isn't just a worry to the more extensive cryptographic money market, however the administrations that AAVE offers will draw under nearer investigation in the future, as government officials banter how DeFi administrations ought to be controlled. In the most dire outcome imaginable, they might be prohibited or seriously restricted. AAVE price prediction 2022. With DAO tokens proceeding to move in ubiquity in 2022, AAVE will get momentum. According to our AAVE cost conjecture for 2022, we project that the cost of the coin will begin improving soon. The cost focus for June 2022 is $174.54. We additionally anticipate that the cost should work on as the year progresses. The worth objective for November is $210.34, while that is December is higher at $313.45 per coin. The greatest AAVE cost forecast for 2022 is $384.87, and the most minimal value expectation is $103.20. What will befall the price of AAVE in 2022? 2022 will be one more groundbreaking year at the cost of AAVE. However, our AAVE cost forecast doesn't expect similar highs from 2021. AAVE will hit highs above $300 at different places in the year and not decline underneath $100 per coin. Will AAVE go up in 2022? Indeed, the cost of AAVE will go up in 2022, with our AAVE cost expectation figure expecting a yearly high of $384.87. However, this isn't quite as high as 2021's $666.86. AAVE will have more promising low points in 2022, which will drive it to better upsides later in the 10 years. Will AAVE go up in 2025? The worth of AAVE will increment in 2025 to hit a fabulous cost of $1,953.92 and won't arrive at costs lower than $960 per coin. Further highs are normal in later years, as indicated by the latest AAVE cost estimate. Will AAVE hit $1,000? The $1,000 achievement will be accomplished by AAVE 2024 at the earliest, however this won't stand the test of time, and the resource will end the year at $900 at the most noteworthy. Further endeavors to outperform $1,000 in 2025 will be more productive, according to our AAVE cost expectation. will AAVE. Welcome in Crypto Vault channel. The current video about AAVE. AAVE, the first crypto lending platform. AAVE is a decentralized money (DeFi) convention that was intended to make it simpler for individuals to loan or get digital currency, explicitly by eliminating the requirement for them to go through a middle person. They portray themselves as a decentralized non-custodial liquidity market convention. In the same way as other DeFi crypto conventions, AAVE was based on the Ethereum network, which makes it an ERC20 token. AAVE additionally has contracts with Polygon, Matic, the Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, FTM, and Avalanche, AVAX, to give some examples. This permits AAVE to handily move around resources and in fact makes it a multi-chain cryptographic money. However, based on the Ethereum blockchain, which in fact makes AAVE confirmation of work, AAVE tokens can in any case be marked on AAVE's foundation. AAVE has a decent all-out supply of 16 million tokens. Exchange charges are paid to the Ethereum blockchain. A portion of AAVE's adversaries include Compound, Comp Maker, MKR, Yearn.finance, EFI, Uniswap, Unit, CurveDAO Token, CRV. What's the point of AAVE? Clients who loan a part of their digital currency saves acquire interest, while clients who get cryptographic forms of money pay revenue. Loaning digital money through stages like AAVE has become one of the top ways of acquiring a recurring, automated revenue in the crypto market as of late. AAVE sounds astoundingly like other DeFi loaning stages, like Compound or Yearn.finance. Yet, the convention enjoys a few benefits that assist it with standing apart from the group. A portion of these include: the AAVE stage upholds the loaning and acquiring of around 20 cryptographic forms of money, which is more than a portion of its rivals. A portion of these incorporate Decentraland, MANA, Basic Attention Token, BAT, and Ethereum, ETH. It offers streak credits, which are frequently alluded to as the first uncollateralized advance choice inside the DeFi area. Streak advances, otherwise called one-square acquire exchanges, permit clients to get and afterward take care of credits in a solitary square. AAVE's Blaze credits are one of its top loaning items. Users can shift back and forth among fixed and variable financing costs, which empowers them to adjust their premium in accordance with the market. For instance, fixed rates can be valuable in the event that the market is unstable, while variable financing costs can assist clients with taking advantage of cost changes, assuming a borrower accepts the resource they wish to acquire will before long fall in cost. Who is behind AAVE? Initially sent off under the name Ethland in 2017, the stage was rebranded to AAVE, and that signifies apparition in Finnish in September 2018. The name change was important for a transition to grow past loaning administrations that were only accessible on Ethereum. Stani Kulic AAVE made AAVE after acknowledging there was an absence of loaning conventions for the Ethereum biological system. Seemingly, AAVE is the main DeFi, showing up before the idea became famous. Kulic AAVE knows quite a bit about regulation and programming. What is AAVE used for? The AAVE token principally fills in as an administration token. The AAVE protocol has a decentralized independent association, DAO, called AAVE governance. This administration model permits individuals who hold AAVE tokens to decide on approaches. This can then influence how AAVE creates later on a specialized level, yet additionally on how it works as a help. You can figure out more about AAVE from their site and their white paper. Ensure you read V2, the later form. Who uses AAVE? As indicated by Savvy Contract Information, there are somewhat in excess of 300,000 AAVE holders across Ethereum, Polygon, Phantom, Avalanche, Gnosis Chain, Solana, the Binance Smart Chain, Sora, and the Hiko chain. However, remember that a few clients might possess AAVE on more than one chain. As per DeFi Pulse, AAVE is the third biggest DeFi project on the planet after Curve Finance and Maker, and the second biggest loaning stage after Maker. AAVE is additionally the biggest multi-chain DeFi digital currency in a market where practically any remaining DeFi coins depend entirely on the Ethereum blockchain. Specialized analysis of AAVE price movements. AAVE was first acquainted with the market on the 29th of November 2017,
at 27,500 lend, previous ticker image equals 1eth. On account of the rebranding from loan